people. All right, I got the whole subfloor down, all the way to the front to the back. So here's the problem. Every time I do something, I have to move stuff out of the way, move it back and forth. Man, that's bad on your back, I tell you what. But I got it in. So we're getting close. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start cutting my strips for my fur strips. And once I put those in, then I can start mapping out where my electric boxes and all my electric wires are gonna go. Like I'll have wires coming up, going to the lights, all the plugs, light switches. So I gotta get all that in before we do the spray foam. So the weather's starting to warm up, so I'll be able to do the spray foam probably next month sometime. But I have to get all this stuff tightened up. I gotta make sure all the holes are patched and all the wires are ran from the outside. So that's where we're at. So I'll keep you informed of what's happening. All right, please like, share, and subscribe. And give me some comments, man. If you see I'm doing something wrong, please let me know so I can beat the devil. All right, peace.